contracts na sinabmit, contracts na luma na.
And sir, hindi dumadaan sa DAA, sir, sila, di ba?
Opo. Pero nakukuha naman yan sila.
So, what's the content?
But that's a good point. Even the power of the board to use their funds for augmentation of the jackpot, medyo i-review na lang siguro ng Congress yan kasi and in the spirit of the universal healthcare law, sana i-contribute na lang po yun towards that universal healthcare law. Di ba? So ganun na lang yan.
Ibig sabihin po ba na bypass yung president? And meron po bang violation?
Practice. Sa practice nila, na lumabas sa hearing nga eh. They have not been getting approval of the Office of the President because they want to use a 2021 previous administration opinion na hindi naman applicable. Kasi sa first paragraph pa lang ng opinion, this is ang context no